Okay, quick question. Why do we all wake up on January 1st and think, I will fix my life? Because, yes, same. This is exactly what we're doing here. So, if you're like me, let's get started. So instead of setting 20 resolutions जो बिल्कुल ही unrealistic हो, I'm doing a 2026 rebrand. So we're starting off with a vision board, of course, because that is the most fun part, I guess.
Step 1, Vision Board.
Okay, let's be completely honest. If we're going to make a vision board क्या होता है? या तो completely it's way too aesthetic, or maybe sometimes it's way too unrealistic. So I'm doing a vision board that is real life and achievable. हम अपना विजन बोर्ड ऐसे बनाएंगे कि एकदम विजन ही हो जाए, मतलब अच्छा बनाएंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू विल नीड इज अ नोटबुक. कोई सी भी नोटबुक, जर्नल, एनीथिंग वर्क्स जो तुम्हें सही लगे, और पेन. वेयर इज द पेन? हाँ, पेन. Wait. So first thing what you will need is a notebook and a pen to write down कि तुम्हें actually चाहिए क्या, what are your goals. We'll write down things जैसे कि सब सही हो. पहले मोटा मोटा गोल्स के what are your big objectives for the year, क्या अचीव करना है क्या नहीं करना, and then we'll break it down कि उसके बाद we'll break it down. Okay. तो वैसे ये भी मेरा फर्स्ट विजन बोर्ड है, तो इसलिए मैं भी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई रियली वांट टू सी कि 2027 में विजन बोर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कोर्स फोकस करेंगे तो होता है कि नई चीज़ें आई वांट टू सी इन 2027. एंड इफ़ यू आल्सो वांट टू सी, यू कैन स्टिक अराउंड एंड वॉच ऑल ऑफ माई वीडियो टिल 2027.
So before opening Pinterest, I'm writing down all the things very clearly and just writing down clearly what I'm trying to build and the version of me I want to become. And for Pinterest, when you start searching, see, don't be vague. Don't just search for things like success, healthy lifestyle. You have to be specific.
So now that we have written all of the things down, like I have already took out some printouts here. So here is a cardboard. इस पे मैंने पेज चिपकाया हुआ है और हम इसको कट आउट करेंगे और इस पे स्टिक करेंगे.
And what works well, guys, that you have to search for pictures that actually look like you, not just any picture. It will help you to visualize yourself better. And I guess the key is to not just put in the picture of your goal, but also put in a picture with the progress of it so that it reminds you. Like, for example, if you want a fit body, put in an image of working out in the gym also. For career growth, maybe search for work setups or planning systems, anything like that. Just be specific. Step 2, clearing the old.
I think it's a good step because cleaning your room isn't a big deal. Clearing out and decluttering things that you actually don't want anymore. Clothes हो गया या कोई भी चीज़ हो गई जो पड़ी हुई है, यूज़ नहीं होती कभी, उसको हटा दो.
Letting go of what I don't need anymore. Here are some clothes that I will be donating because I guess when your space feels lighter, your mind is too.
Now, of course, it also includes your old habits and of course your thought patterns. तो उस पर भी वर्क करना, आई गेस क्लियरिंग द ओल्ड में आना चाहिए. ओके एवरीवन, रिपीट आफ्टर मी. What I consume is who I become. ये एकदम ट्रू है, of course, because what we consume is actually who we become, not immediately, of course, but of course time ke saath it happens. I'm talking about the relations, your friends, anything you surround yourself with. उनका जो energy है वो somehow affects you. So I guess for 2026 what you can do is actually observe the people you feel drained with. Try to limit those meetups or even distancing. That's what I do. And in 2026 we're getting even stricter on that. Be mindful of the content that you're consuming. Constant reminder of this thing and the practice. That's what matters the most. What I'm trying to say is stop watching content that overwhelms you, but start watching the content that inspires you instead. Like choose inspiration over information overload. I think that's the goal.
Step 3, set up micro habits.
So I guess we all know that motivation disappears. That's just the truth, I guess. Phases आते हैं कभी कभी motivation के. But I guess what we should focus on is, instead of just setting the goal, big goal, what you should do is break down into micro habits. Like, what is the process? कि goal तो है, but उसकी process क्या है उसको भी break down करो. So maybe instead of having a full morning routine, you can say, I will wake up in the morning and try not to look at my phone first thing in the morning, something like that. और कुछ ऐसा कि if you're going to the gym every day, and for example अगर तुम gym जाते हो तो instead of saying I will go to gym every day 6 days a week, you can say I will move my body for at least 10 to 20 minutes per day depending on how you feel. Daily effort, low pressure,
Step
and
4,
high
health.
consistency. I want energy this year, not burnout. So number 1, health. It all goes to waste अगर हम health पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, of course. So I would suggest, of course सबकी busy lifestyle होती है, but remember, it is not a big deal. Let's be honest, it is not a big deal to take out 10 minutes if you cannot do a 30 minutes or 40 minutes workout. 10 minutes at least, whatever you like. And of course for career, I would just say that appreciate your small wins, guys. Sometimes we forget to appreciate ourselves enough, I guess, and criticize ourselves. So for health, move daily, sleep 7 to 8 hours, that is on my list. Another is drink water. This is super easy and keeps your actually keeps your skin good. And then these are simple habits, of course. And then fourth is self-talk, how you think about yourself. Try to be positive as much as possible. Consistency over overnight success. And at last, I would say confidence, guys. Have confidence in yourself. Be kind to yourself, of course. And about self doubt, we're leaving that door. So, overall, I guess 2026 is about showing up, it's about consistency. My overall goal is to be consistent, by God. And I guess हम लोग 2026 में खुद के favorite version बनने वाले हैं. And if you're entering your rebranding era in 2026, you're welcome because we're doing it together. And that's it for this video, guys. You can comment if you're maybe entering your rebranding era in 2026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.